Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video we have these two palettes from SFR color, and it's the Lilac and the Mint palette. And if you can guess this, yeah, these are the rip-offs to Huda Beauty ke Mint and Lilac ke palette. And you know what, we did this eye makeup using this. Yeah, there's a lot more to it. So if you want to know what really happened, how we did the look, let's get into the video, you guys. Let's go. Okay, so I have 5 palettes with me right now, and 2 of these are from SFR colors, the one we are reviewing today, and then we have 3 from some random, Huda Beauty dupes. Okay, these. If you remember, if you have been on this channel for a while, you know I reviewed these last year, and these were the biggest flops ever. Okay, now this is the second set of pastel palettes from Huda Beauty that I reviewed. इससे पहले एक थे, वो उससे भी बड़े flop थे. Then these came in. These were pretty bad themselves. I mean, this is how chalky it is, and when I blend it out, yeah, there's nothing. This is the pigmentation that we get, and it is just really bad. And so that's why I just got these. Okay, let's just see if these work any better. Now the reason why I am so desperate about these palettes is because I really like the color scheme, the mint and the lilacs and all these things. I really like them. Okay, and although I do have a mint palette from Colourpop, but I just feel like that mint palette from Colourpop caters more towards, like just monochromatic greens. This, on the other hand, has oranges, has like mints and oranges and shimmers and pinks and everything. And this lilac over here has a lot of things as well, like this pink and this peach and stuff. Okay, so let's just compare it side by side, because these Huda Beauty wale jo the, these are like the exact mirror copy, right? The same color scheme, and side by side these look like this. Okay, so I think yeah, the colors are pretty similar. I think all the colors that are present in this palette are present in this palette as well. But the difference is that this is 9-pan palette, this is a 12-pan palette, and this definitely has like 3 shades more. So I think this darker green, this sort of like a teal shimmer, and one of this orange shade. Like there are 2 orange shade over here, where we have just 1 shimmer and 1. No, we actually have 3. Yeah, so yeah, you get it, you get the gist. Like we have 3 extra colors over here, so, which is a win-win situation. Okay, now next up is the lilac palette, and this is how the lilac looks. Oh shit, oh yeah, this is the broken one actually. Yeah, I broke it. So this lilac had lilac and oranges and a little bit of nude colors, and this is how it looks, and I think this is pretty similar too. We just have like 3 extra colors, which is this darker pink, this very purple color. Yeah, these are like 3 extra shades. So yeah, enough blast from the past. Let's just move in with these palettes. And oh my god, I have just spoiled my clothes with eyeshadow all over me. I think I'll go in with this color, right? This one is a pretty lilac. Ooh, it's pretty powdery, but let's just hope it works. Now there was another variant, the rose wala variant, which I did not buy because it was pretty, oh my god, half of the color has just gone. Listen, I'll cry if this didn't work out. Oh no, it is. Let's just hope it does. I'm just applying it right now and blending it side by side. Yeah, this is not bad, not half bad, but yeah, it's not up to the mark either. Let's just take thoda sa ye mauve lilac and let's mix with this. This is a little bit better. But this lilac cater more towards pink than actual lilac, which, yeah, I mean, it's not bad, but this is not exactly what I wanted. Let me just take a cleaner brush and I'll grab this color. This is very light, and a little bit of this just to blend everything out. Yeah, I've just taken it way too over there. Darkening it up. Now definitely I genuinely feel like Huda Beauty has a better quality. Yeah, these are a little underwhelming. Let's go in with the mint now. This is bad. I'm disappointed. I've really waited for a really long time to try these palettes, and this is how it is turning out. It's really disappointing. Let me take this one. This is a dark mint color. I am not dusting anything, otherwise everything will just disappear. Oh yes, this is okay. Oh my god, thankfully at least there is something that is working. And yoga. Just give me 1 second. Let me just do this and then I will come back to you. You know what, this is my first day trying this palette and 3 dips only and we have already hit the pan. Can you see this? I can't believe it. Like, is it this shallow? What do we have in the name of... Oh no, it was actually something like something metallic. Okay, the quality over here needs to be questioned. Okay, let's move on. Let me just try a sparkle shimmer right now. I'll just go in with this one. Let me just save whatever we can. And this is a very glassy shimmer. Can you see this? Ooh, this is a very wet shimmer. And this shimmer I have actually seen in the Naughty palette dupe. This is nothing new. I have seen this. And it isn't something that would blow your mind. Like, it's there, okay? It is okay. It's there. You will like it. But it's nothing that you can't live without. See? Yeah, I mean, it's just giving you something, but it just doesn't give anything. Let me take this as well over here. And here, let me just put it over here. It just looks like there is this one shimmer on top of everything and there is nothing else. How bad is this? Yeah, whatever. Let me just take the lighter mint and let me blend this one out over here. At least it needs to be blended. And on the bottom lash line, let's take the mint color, right? And I'm just adding the darker green. We're taking the darker green as well. And I'm just dusting off the darker green because I don't want excess of it. And I'm just taking the darker green towards the outer corner, like we are going reverse. So darker green and mint over here. They have nothing to stick to and they are not staying. That is that. And next up we have lilac color, the darker pink and the lilac. I'm just taking it over here. You know what, you guys, I'm just going to take another palette that has these colors and I'm just going to fix this eye because I don't want to look like a cartoon today. Let me just fix this eye look and I'll be back. I hope. So yes guys, this is the final look and unfortunately let me tell you, these eyeshadows have nothing to do with this look. I use this palette from EYN, the Beauty Bay EYN, and the color scheme, yeah. These are the colors that I use, the lilacs over here and the blues over here, and that is what saved my look today because these palettes, oh my god. Listen, I'm just going to stop trying to find a good dupe to these Huda Beauty palettes. I have Colourpop ka mint wala palette and I'll be just trying to stay happy with that. I'm just not going to buy anything else now at this point. I just can't. Okay, please. Bas, theek hai. Even this didn't work for the 3rd time and I'm done, okay? I mean, see, here's the thing. SFR has been disappointing me for a while. Like, I don't remember the last time I found this SFR ka palette and I was like blown away. Wow, what a creation. Nah, that hasn't happened and it is a little upsetting because I have high expectations from brands like these. And yeah. So that's it, you guys. That's it for today's video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.